Hello, I welcome you once again to the Road to Multimedia Graphic Design Training. And the topic for today is text manipulation. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add special effects to our text. So I'll be teaching you how to add fire effects to your text to make the text look like it is like something burning or like fire. You can add different effects. So after the lesson, this kind of design you are going to have. You can also do this one is for blood. So if you want to add blood effect, you can also use this as your work. Now let's move forward. So before you can do this design, or before you can add these effects, you need to go to your Google and download. If you are dealing with fire, you download fire PNG. So you go to the Google search and type fire PNG, FIRG. You give space and write PNG. Then you download some pictures of fire. Then after that, after you have been able to download the pictures, you come to your work area, you select your paper, any paper size. You can select A4, you can select a square paper, any size that you want, depending on your design. Then you come to your work and start to type. So first of all, you need to select the type 2. Then you type the words that you want. So let's say I want to type fire. So you type fire. Sorry, let me use uppercase. Type fire. Then you click on the move tool to adjust the size of your text to the size that you want, your preferred size. So this is mine, the size that I want it to be bold enough. So the style, the font style depends on you. You can use any font style. You can use the Arial, you can use the Times New Roman, you can use any of the font style, and the font size also depends on you. So this is what I've designed, this is what I've made using the text tool. Now you are going to apply the I'm going to apply the effects. So first of all, you place your colors, your picture. So go to place, file, go to place, and you bring your color, your downloaded fire. So any of these, I've downloaded these two. So any of these, you click on it and you click on place. Then it will be placed here. Now you see that the background of this is white. It will conflict with this. So you come to the layer side, you right click on the fire layer, then you rasterize the layer. Click on rasterize layer, then you go back to your tool side, you click on these two, the magic 1 2, then you come and click on the white area of the fire to make the selection. Then you click on backspace so that the white area of the color of the fire has been removed. Then you click on Ctrl+D to remove the selection. Now you are going to do something here. After you are able to do that, you are going to copy this image. So you have the shortcut Ctrl+Alt. You click it together without removing your hand. You left click and drag to get a duplication. So now I have two pictures of the fire. Now with the first one, you are going to do creeping mask. So you click on the first one that you placed, the first picture that you placed, then you right click, then you select create creeping mask. You see, now you adjust it to fit the text. Now we have this. So after you have done this, then you come back to your second image. The second image, make sure the second image is placed above all the shapes. Then you send it to the test. Sorry. Then you also adjust it. So let's adjust it to this level. I think this is okay. Now we have this. So you then select the text tool, then you apply stroke. So you go to FX. After you have selected the fire text, you go to FX, you go to strokes or stroke, then you apply a stroke color. So the stroke color will depend on you. Okay, so let me apply this color. Let me select a color from here, then apply it, then increase the size to make it visible, then click on OK. Then after that, you change, you bring the copied image below the the text layer. You see, now you have this effect. So if the arrangement or if the adjustment is okay for you, you leave it, but if not okay, you can just do this and you're good to go. Then click on enter. You have your effect. I hope this video helps a lot. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.